Today we're going to talk about two of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance and Coinbase. These are two of the most successful and popular exchanges, and now let's find out why.
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo.
Welcome, Coach K here. So a lot of people ask me what exchanges they should use, and so today I'm going to show you the two most common used exchanges and why you probably need to sign up to both. Okay. This may not always be the case, but some exchanges are liquid, meaning you can turn your cash into crypto right on the exchange. And some exchanges are only crypto to crypto. So you have to buy Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency on Coinbase, for example, and send it to places like Binance. Only a couple places in the world can do their fiat crypto from using Binance account. So there are different exchanges we can talk about, and I'll show you many in future videos. But today, let's just focus on the two most trusted, in my opinion, exchanges out there. Okay, so the first one's Coinbase. I'm going to show you how to actually sign up for it. So basically, you're going to go to Coinbase here. In the video, there's probably a link somewhere. Just go click on that, and for both Binance and for Coinbase, just click on those links there, and you can just open it up and follow me right now. Okay, so go to the sign up button here, and of course you're going to put in your name and your last name and your email. Okay, and then I'm going to put a password. Okay, and I'm 18 years old. Create this account. And then basically what's going to happen is it's going to ask me to do a couple different things. Now, if you're a business, you can also do that. The first thing you need to do is go to your email right now and get the verification code. Okay, so go do that right now. Okay, so now you'll be at the screen. It's going to ask you for your phone number. So just log that in real quick. Do that right now. Okay, so now you put in your phone number, you verified your account, and you're here at your dashboard, okay? So basically now you have a few options. Obviously, you can buy cryptocurrencies, but you're probably going to have to link an account. Click on your settings first. You can upload a picture, enable your two-factor like I've shown you guys before. You can put in your details, okay? Go to your dashboard, go to buy and sell. You can't buy or sell in my country, but in your countries, most of you guys can. I use bx.in.th because I live in Thailand. Small exchange, but it's good, has a good reputation. And I'm going to show you in another video, guys, how to find your own exchange. All right, so we can go to accounts, receiving cryptocurrencies here. Click on receive here and show the address and get cryptocurrency sent. You can refer a friend and get some crypto for it. Yeah, that's basically how to use Coinbase. It's a pretty basic exchange, and do you good? Okay, so moving on, let's go to Binance. So this is what Binance looks like, and this is one of the most used exchanges in the world, pretty much. You're going to go through the registration process here. Click on register and go through the same process that you guys did. Use the referral code that I have or my link. Please and thank you. That would be great. And yeah, register right now, and I'll see you guys in a short minute. Okay, so you probably have done your phone verification, email verification, all that stuff, and now you can be inside of your Binance account, which will look something like this. Over here, all your wallets will be there with your deposit and withdrawal addresses, and you can also go and trade on the exchange. Let's first look at funds. So you go to your balances, and they'll show up like this. You want to go to deposits, you can click on there, see your deposits that have come in. You want withdrawals, you can go to withdrawals and see the withdrawal that's happened, as well as your transaction history over here. You can also just go in here to check out your account. So in this part, you can do your SMS or 2FA. I would recommend using 2FA because SMS is a little bit more risky, in my opinion. And then API settings. So if you have an API like my bot, for example, that would be one that you could potentially use as well. So yeah, that's basically how to use the Binance API and settings. And then also you can just go into open orders. You can see all the open orders that you have, if you've had any that were limits. You can also see your buys and your sells. As well, you can also see over here, if we go to the exchange, you can see all the exchange. You can see, you know, what's going on. You can check out the volume. You can check out how much something has changed in 4 hours. You can check that out. Yeah, so you can trade on here very easily just by going here. You want to buy Bitcoin, You can do that. If you want to buy any other coin, let's say you want to buy INS, go to INS. Here is the chart. Here is the price currently. And you can buy as much as you are allowed, 25% for example would be one way, or you could also just put in how much you want, 150 of them, and you click on buy, and it will buy it for you in limit. So it might end up in an open order if you do that. So another thing to keep in mind is you can do market order if you want to buy right away. Okay. And yeah, that's basically how to use the exchanges. The reason why I like them so much is because they both have insurance. So when you leave your coins on the exchange, you don't have to worry as much as on other exchanges. And if you guys have seen in the past, there's been hacks, there's been losses of cryptocurrencies, right? So when you leave your crypto on a centralized exchange, which is what I'm showing you here, you do leave your crypto a little bit at risk. So keep that in mind, guys. It's important to know that. Okay. And so you should get something like a Trezor Nano, but when you use exchanges, you use them to trade or buy and then put something in a cold storage wallet. Okay. So that's how to use the exchanges. They're both pretty simple to use. You pick the coin up here, whatever it is, and you buy it by clicking on, let's say, Dent. And I want to buy, say I want to buy 100,000. I can do that, buy Dent, and it will buy it for me and then show up in my balances, in my funds. And that's basically how to use Binance, guys. So not a very hard exchange to use. I'm going to go much more in depth in another video, but these are two very good exchanges to start with. And in another video, you guys will see I'm making one to show you how to find an exchange in your own area. And there's not perfect exchanges everywhere, but we'll probably find you the best one in your area that you can trust the most, okay? So you guys have yourselves a great day. Coach K signing off.
Back, back,